Bro, let me hit you with something real quick. You ever wonder why she keeps going back to that one guy, the one who doesn't even seem to care? It's wild, right? She's got guys lining up for her attention. Good guys too, guys with solid jobs, gym bodies, charm, effort, yet she keeps thinking about the one who barely says a word. Why? Because that guy didn't chase, he didn't audition, he didn't try to impress, he made her feel something, and not by showing off, but by simply being grounded. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, because if you're tired of feeling like you're not enough, not tall enough, not rich enough, not fast enough with your replies, then it's time we flip the script. Not by becoming someone else, but by becoming the kind of man who doesn't compete at all. Let's break this down. Point 1. Don't join the race. She didn't ask you to run. Look man, real talk. Most guys get caught in this trap without even realizing it. The moment they like a girl, they start sprinting, texting her first, showering her with compliments, trying to be the perfect guy before she's even shown she's interested. But bro, that's not how you stand out. That's how you get overlooked. See, once you start performing for her, you've already told her, I need to win you over. And guess what that means? She's the prize, and you're just another contestant. But here's the move. Don't run, don't audition. Let her notice you're not trying to be noticed. That's rare. That's power. Because when you stop chasing, you flip the game, and suddenly you're not another option. You're the mystery. Point 2. Show her you've got a life before she came in it. Listen, if you make her the center of your world before she's even earned that place, she'll lose interest faster than you think. And not because she's cruel, but because you're signaling something dangerous. Emptiness. A man who has a purpose, hobbies, goals, people who count on him. He doesn't shift his entire day around a text message. That kind of man is rooted. And she can feel that rooted energy from a mile away. Want to stand out? Show her your life is already full. She's welcome to be part of it, but she's not needed to complete it. Point 3. Stay calm. When she pushes buttons. Alright bro, this one's big, because it's where most guys fold. You'll notice sometimes she'll test you. She'll pull back, act cold, say something passive-aggressive just to see how you'll react. And what do most dudes do? They panic, they chase, they over-explain, they try to fix things instantly. But you? Nah man, you stay calm. You don't react to every little vibe shift. You respond like a man who's solid, centered, and not moved by games. That calmness, that stillness, it's magnetic. Because when she sees you're not begging for clarity or chasing validation, she starts asking herself, why isn't he affected? That's when you flip the script. And now she's the one trying to get your attention. Point 4. Make her feel understood, not just wanted. Bro, here's a cheat code most guys never learn. Every dude is out here telling her she's beautiful, but that's surface level. That's noise. You really want to hit different? Make her feel understood. Like, instead of saying, you look amazing, say something like, you give off this calm vibe, but I feel like there's a lot going on in your head. Am I right? Boom. You've just separated yourself from 99% of the dudes in her inbox, because now it's not about her looks, it's about who she is, and that is rare. You're not just admiring her, you're seeing her. That hits on a deeper level, and trust me, she'll remember that way longer than any "you're cute" text. Point 5. Be the man she can't predict. Yo listen, if she can guess your next move, you've already lost her interest. Most guys are way too easy to read. Same compliments, same texts, same good morning routine every day. That's not romantic, it's robotic. But you gotta be unpredictable in the right way. Not by playing games, but by having depth. Like one day, hit her with deep convo about something real. Next day, you're cracking jokes like a stand-up comic. Switch it up, keep her emotionally engaged. Because when she doesn't know what version of you she's gonna get, the playful you, the reflective you, the driven you, she stays curious. And curiosity creates attraction. Don't be the guy she gets used to. Be the one she keeps trying to figure out. Point 6. Scarcity makes her curious, not closeness. This might sound backward, but hear me out. Being available 24/7 actually lowers your value. It's not about playing games, it's about living a life where you can't always reply in 30 seconds because you're actually busy, with purpose, with passion, with things that fulfill you outside of her. That natural scarcity, It triggers curiosity, and curiosity is the seed of obsession. She starts wondering what you're up to, who you're with, why you're not constantly in her space. That's how you live in her head, not by chasing her, but by being just out of reach. Point 7. Replace nice with real. Alright bro, this one's key. You're not here to impress her. You're here to inspire respect. See, most guys walk into a situation thinking, how can I get her to like me? But the real ones walk in like, let's see if she aligns with what I value. That shift changes everything. You're not scared to disagree. You're not afraid to say, nah, that's not for me. And you don't smile through stuff just to keep the peace. You're calm, respectful, but you're not bending. That's the energy that makes her take you seriously. She's not just dealing with another nice guy. She's standing in front of a man who knows exactly who he is. And that's rare. That's attractive. Point 8. Silence is a weapon. Use it with precision. Here's a secret that took me way too long to learn. Sometimes saying nothing says everything. You don't need to fill every gap with reassurance. You don't need to chase every unanswered message. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is go quiet. Not as a punishment, but as a message. I'm not here to beg for your attention. I move where I'm wanted. That silence, it speaks. And trust me, she hears it louder than any words you could say. So, look, don't compete, don't chase, don't perform, just become. Become the man who isn't trying to impress because he already knows who he is. That man is unforgettable. If this hit home for you, comment below, I'm done competing. I want to see who's stepping into that energy today. Subscribe for more. We're building real power here, one grounded move at a time.